Alright, and getting right to it. Luckily, Transalp was made for this because off-road, what? Woohoo! Rodeo! And we're back on the normal roads already, which brings us to the big questions. Dear viewer, do you think this behavior is jerkiness or brainlessness? Just give us your answer because pedestrians were in a real big danger here. And dear viewer, in this one, we fully share our cards to the table because, I don't know, till now one would thought that I, as your commentator, would be fully adjusted, but I'm not, I just stay in full shock. And one would also thought that, shock would wear off because we already had one similar situation in this video. But no, pedestrians are still in danger.
Oh my god, man.
Well, pedestrians, we are fighting for your rights, but you are weakening our pedals. Let's just call this one Balkan mentality. And in the Balkans, you should be very careful because some people think that exiting a roundabout means speed up instead of slow down. By the way, dear viewer, I know it's very easy to judge in this situation and we won't make that mistake. He clearly had no other room to wait for that green light. If you see a side road, then make sure to block it. And then block it some more. And then block it again. Stefan, oh no, you're just ruining it now. I bet this lady didn't think she would find herself in a traffic sandwich. This guy's just testing the brakes. Testing. Test. Could the Transalp be the new Street Fighter? Oh, don't give up on that idea just yet. Is the snow in the room with us?
Here is the first snow, baby.
Just kidding, Stefan. We see it.
Cannot wait to ride on this one.
And of course, at least one Jackie Jack of other bikes per video. Welcome to the Chinese restaurant and some very good energy where YouTube is the only star we need.
Let's go. А поручили smo 2 porcije.
2 elegancije takve.
Koji broj?
29.
Yes.
Ukupno meso.
A ove kamere koliko košta da kupi?
YouTube.
A? YouTube?
Snimam.
YouTube?
Da.
Za motora?
Za motora.
Koliko ima flowa?
Sad imam 1800.
1800? Nije
Ovako
loše.
idemo gore. Zdravo. Hvala, snimamo se redovno.
1760.
And dear viewer, welcome to the one where Stefan asks for it. The part where he asks.
Daj vam malo gas.
Snimaj me na YouTube.
And the part where he gets. And the part where he regrets. Stefan knows the golden rule. If you have something nice to say, shout it out loud.
Mnogo lep.
And the best part about that is, the good you give always comes back. Thank you for watching, dear viewers. See you in the next one. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye!
Transalp. Hvala lepo. Najbolji.